Hey, how's it going? So this is just going to be a quick video on how to use a Spark trim transformation method. So in any language, you have a trim method that you can apply on a string, and it will just trim the particular character away from that string. So we do have the same transformation method in Spark. So I'm just going to show you how to quickly apply that one on a data frame. So let's get started. So this is a data frame that I have, and I want to trim this bracket. So if I use truncate, truncate equal to false, and run it again. So if I run it again, yeah, it's running now. So okay, now you can see we have a bracket at the start of this member columns. So we have bracket at the start and we have bracket at the end. So I want to get rid of this bracket. So in order to do that, I have to trim those bracket away. So if I write a new, let me say var df2 equal to let me say data frame as data type, and df dot select. I want to select family column, family, and then I will apply trim method, and that's on a member column. So I will use call to select the member column, right? Because I want to apply a trim method on it, so I will use call member. Then inside the, I'm still inside the trim, right? So I'll put comma, and the trim string is going to be first the first bracket, and second is the second curly bracket. So these are the two things character I want to trim away from the data frame. Also, you have to import a call and trim as well from the SQL function, spark.sql function. So okay, if I now write I think there is a mistake somewhere here. df.select, can I resolve function? Okay, I think I need to just get rid of this one. I don't have to select that one with it. So okay, if I now write df2 dot show, I want to truncate it. So use false, truncate equal to false. Now if I run the application again, okay, it's okay. So now we've got the trim member. So we've trimmed both the first curly bracket and the second curly bracket away from the data frame. Now you can see we have just this data frame without the curly brackets. So another thing to note is in the second data frame we are not getting the family column. So I don't want that. I want to select the family column as well. So in order to do that, we use call. Since we have applied trim method on this particular data frame, I don't think we can just select the column as just using the string name. I think we have to apply a call method on it. So the column name is family, right? And so also I want to return this family as I want to return this column name as member instead of getting that long column name. So as member, I think that should work. Okay, I'll need to run it again. Okay, you can see we've got the family and member, and the brackets, calling brackets are trimmed away. So that is how you can apply a trim transformation method on a Spark data frame. So if you have any other character that you want to trim, you can just put them in this trim method, and it will just trim it away. Okay, yeah, that is it for this video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave a comment if you like this video. I'll be uploading more videos like this in the future, and don't forget to stay tuned. Alright, that is it for now, and goodbye.